Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time visiting, welcome and please consider subscribing. Before I get into this video, I want to thank everybody who have recently subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys. I love you guys and I can't wait to get to interact with you down in the comments and things like that. And just welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Okay. In this video today, I'm going to be unboxing I don't know if I would call it a product. I don't know. Or is it a tool, equipment? Either way, I'm going to be unboxing this. This item came from Kiarasky. This is actually my first time purchasing from them. I've never purchased from Kiarasky before. I never used any of their nail products or anything like that. Excuse my nails. I let my youngest daughter do my nails, and this is the end result. Okay, so I'm about to open this so you guys can see what I got or whatnot. So first off, I love the packaging. These are so cute. I love that they're pink. And the box that they shipped in is very, very, very sturdy. So I know that there will be no damage to, my product that I got. Okay, so now the hard part, trying to lift this out with all of this in here. Oh my gosh, I'm about to make a mess, y'all. Okay, so, well, that wasn't too bad. I only dropped one. And there it goes, back in the box. Okay, so I'm about to move this box right here off to the side so that you guys can see what I got. Okay, so this right here is what I got. I got the Kiarasky Beyond Pro Rechargeable LED Lamp Volume 2. Okay, I had to get this lamp, you guys, because I got another lamp that was, a cheaper lamp like the one that I had. But I don't want to run into this problem anymore, because I have gone through lamps, the curing lights. I've had, I think, 3 or 4 other ones prior to that one. So I'm just tired of switching them out and having to buy a new lamp like every, few months. That really shows you the quality of these cheaper lamps. Like, it's not worth it, because I feel like even though that lamp is cheaper than this one, I'm spending way more money in the long run because I have to replace them so often. So I don't recommend you guys to buy a lamp like that. Spend the money, like I always tell you guys, put the money up, look at everything that you're buying as an investment, and that is going to last you, and it's going to help you make money, and it's going to pay for itself overall. So this lamp right here retails at, I believe, $250, and with taxes and with their it's some kind of shipping protection and whatnot that they added to my order, it came out to be like $272, $73, no more than $275. So that was with everything. Shipping was free, which I love. So I was happy about that. Okay, so like I said, I never purchased anything from Kiarasky before, but when I started doing research and stuff like that, this seemed to be the go-to lamp everybody has been saying is, worth it. It's a great lamp and everything like that. So I said, okay, I'm going to buy the lamp and hopefully not have no problems with it. Okay, so this is a rechargeable LED lamp, and I'm gonna just be honest. I think I'm gonna treat this the same way I do my my Mani Pro handpiece. Well, my my e-file. Even though that is rechargeable or whatnot, and you can just charge it, it's charged fully in 2 hours. And then you can just go, I personally feel more comfortable with it staying on the charger, so I know that it's always charged and I don't have to constantly, be checking and worrying about if it's not fully charged all the way or not. Because on my nail drill, It doesn't, I don't remember it having an indicator to show that it's about to die or anything like that. So I don't want to ever be in a position where I need to use my unit and I can't because it's, you know, it's not charged. So just to eliminate all of that stress, I just keep it on this charger and I know that it's always ready to go. So I think I'm going to do the same thing with this and only take it off of the charging unit if I need to do pedicures or something like that, where I need to actually move the lamp around, and it will work better for me as a cordless, you know, lamp. So that's what I plan to do with this. Because this, you know, this is a portable lamp. It doesn't, you can charge it, and you can, if you are a traveling nail tech, you can use it, you know, and you'll be good to go. But I'm not using it that way. Their packaging, you guys, I love it. It's very, very sturdy. Oh my gosh, this is a really good box. And look at this. Let it shine. Yes, let it shine, y'all. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I love all of this. They got the little cutout heart. This is just so cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. Even this is cute. I just love packaging, y'all. I don't know. I don't know what it is. It's just, I don't know what it is. It's just something about it. Okay, so this is the actual light. Let me see if I can take it out. I'm not trying to mess nothing up, y'all. I just got the thing. So, okay. Inside of the box is a warranty card. Okay, I'm gonna, you know, do what I need to do with that after this video. And this is the user manual. Okay, I'll go over that. Maybe. Y'all know I'm not too good with doing all of that. Unless it's something that I really can't figure out, then I'll pop that open and look at it. But other than that, I'm not even using that. Okay, here is the bottom portion of this. Let me move all of this out of the way. All of this out of the way so I can have some space. Okay, so it is very pretty. It is very pretty. I think it's a gorgeous light. As you can see, it's way bigger than the one that I had previously. Okay, so this is what it looks like, you know, on the inside. I've never had a light that had, you know, the inside look like this. Okay, so this is something new to me because all of my lamps, they all look like this or something similar to that. Never anything that looks like this. So I'm thinking that this is a better design because these right here are mirrored, so the light will bounce off of the mirror, and I think that it'll have a really good cure because this light right here, it had a bottom piece, but as y'all can see, it's not there. I don't never keep them on my lights because, like I said, when clients get polish and stuff on there, it's already cured. It's a pain to get off. So I just don't fool with it because it just makes the light just look, you know, unclean, and I don't like that. So I just do without that. Okay, so inside of this box is the power cord or whatnot. So let me open this up. Oh my goodness. And plug it up. Okay, it's two separate pieces, as you guys can see. Y'all, I guess I'm late in the game because everybody got this light. Like, everybody has this light. Everybody has this light. I guess I'm just the only one who don't got one. So I got one now, though. I got one now. Uh-oh, am I tying this in a knot? No. Okay, so this part will go in the back of here. Okay, while we have it turned around this way, I don't know what this part is. I think this is, y'all. I don't even want to open it because I don't even want to risk breaking anything. Okay, so this is the power switch for on and off. They have a 90-second low heat mode, which is good. They have the 60-second, the 30-second, and the 15-second. Now, I'm going to tell you guys why hands off I love this. I love this because these are in the back, and the client is going to be on the opposite side of you, which means the lamp is going to need to be facing towards them the way that I have it now, like this. So I think that this is a wonderful design, because now I don't have to be, you know, reaching over trying to press, you know, buttons on the top of the lamp like I would have to do with this one right here. You know, I don't like doing that. I rather, you know, just be able to poke the back of the lamp, you know, just from where it's sitting at. I feel like that's way more convenient. So I love that they have that included in their design like that. And I like that it has a handle here, because I can carry this if I have to, you know, move it around anywhere, like for pedicures or something like that. Or if I just need to readjust it, you know, I can just do that. And I don't have to worry about constantly touching on the top of it and getting it dirty or anything like that. I just feel like this is an amazing design that they came up with for this. I think this is an amazing design. I really like that. And here they have, I don't know what this is for. I guess it's going to show this countdown here maybe, and maybe the charge, how much is, you know, is charged, or if it needs to be recharged or whatnot. I don't know. I will see when I plug it up. So let me get this going here. And then we're going to plug it up and we're going to see what it is going to do. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to pause you, and then I'm going to crawl underneath my table and plug this in so we can see what's going on with this light. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Okay, it's plugged in. So I'm going to hit the power switch and see what happens. Okay. It's on, and as you can see, it's blinking because it's charged. Now, I think that the 15 is like that because it's set to 15 seconds, but I want to see if I can set it to 60 by doing that right there. So I guess that when the client puts their hand in the light, it will automatically be set for 60 seconds. I love that, because now I don't even have to do no reaching over and doing anything like that. And I just love that. I love that about this light so far. Everything about this light so far, I love it. It lights up. You see the K and the S. I think that's really pretty. So I'm gonna put my hand in, and okay, I can really feel the warmth on this light. So I can tell that it's a very strong light. You hear a beeping sound once you put your hand in there, and I believe it's going to beep when it comes out. So I'm going to leave it on here just for a minute. You guys, this lamp is no joke. I've never ever bought a lamp that got this warm. This is warm. Like, when I tell you, I know that it's going to cure, it's going to cure. I know I'm not going to have no problem out of this light whatsoever, because of how warm this is. Normally, from the lights that I've used in the past, like, I can put it in there and you can barely feel any kind of sensation whatsoever at all. And the only time I could feel any kind of heat coming from any of those lamps is if I'm really close to the lights, and if I actually have my finger touching on one of the little LED lights, then it gets hot. I can feel that. But oh yes, you guys, you hear that? When it hit the 60 seconds, it beeped again, and then it cut off. I love that. So that right there is going to let the client know, okay, it's time to take your hand out of the lamp. And that will let me know that, okay, it's done. We can take it out of the lamp. I love this, you guys. It has a very modern, sleek design. It's bright white. It goes with it. This goes with any decor. Inside of my actual nail space is black and white, and it's red. Okay, so this definitely fits in with my decor, and yeah, I love the light. I don't have anything bad to say about the light. I know it's gonna cure. I know it. I don't have anything, you guys, where I'm sitting at now, because I'm currently moving from one nail space to another nail space. So I'm limited on the stuff that I have here now. So I can't even do a nail and really cure it in here so you guys can see, so I can see how well, you know, it's going to work or not. But it doesn't matter. Everybody knows about this light. Everybody knows this is a very, very quality light. And I think that you guys should buy you one instead of, you know, going a cheaper route. Because as you can see, based off of my experience, what I've gone through, no. It was no. I don't recommend you do that at all. I recommend you put the money up and get you you know, a professional performing lamp, because you know, it's going to pay for itself. Okay? So, as I said, this video is going to be very short and quick. I just wanted to do this unboxing with you guys and let you guys know that I got a new lamp and how it performs and that I'm happy with it. Okay? So, I love y'all all, and I thank you guys so much for rocking out with me today. And what else? What else? What else? I don't have anything else to say. I don't have any news. I don't have anything else to say. But thank you guys for all of your support and just watching my videos, commenting down below, thumbs up. Thank you guys for everything. Like, I so appreciate you guys all so much. Y'all are going to get absolutely tired of me saying that, but I do not care. You guys have to know that I appreciate you guys and all that you guys do. And I look forward to, you know, talking to all of the other newbies, you know, that have just subscribed to my channel. Like, I'm here for it, you guys. I'm all here for it. Okay? So, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay? And again, if you have not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Okay? It's absolutely free, and it takes literally less than a second. And while you're subscribing, don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified of my new videos when I post them. Okay, you guys? So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.